Grab your measuring spoons and mixing bowl, because today we're making something that's going to become your new kitchen staple. This roasted garlic and herb seasoning is packed with cozy, savory flavors, perfect for everything. Just refer to the description section to get all the ingredients and directions you need. What would a roasted garlic seasoning be without roasted garlic? So yeah, you need a tablespoon of roasted garlic powder to begin with. Then, add a tablespoon of dried parsley for that herby freshness. Next comes the other most important elements of our recipe. Add a teaspoon of finely crushed dried rosemary, a teaspoon of dried thyme, along with a teaspoon of dried sage to bring in those cozy, earthy notes. Now go in with a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of sea salt, just to round everything out. Finally, to finish off our seasoning beautifully, I use a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, with just a pinch or about a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes for that subtle kick. It's mixing time! Now that you've got everything in your bowl or plate, give it a good mix until it's perfectly blended. And before I forget, if you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to give it a quick like and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, tap that little bell icon, so that way you'll always know when a new recipe drops. And there it is, your delicious roasted garlic and herb seasoning, all ready to go. This batch makes about a 1/4 cup, just the right amount to try on roasted or grilled chicken, veggies, potatoes, or even stir a little into butter or olive oil for a quick flavorful drizzle. Once you're done, tuck it into a little airtight jar to keep it fresh until you need it. This blend stays good for months, but trust me, it's so tasty you'll be making more way sooner than that. So try this out, drop a comment, and tell us how you liked it.